next thing I'm going to be installing is a CB radio. CB radio. I already have the mount up there, but my old CB radio was a lot bigger than this one. Oops. So, let's see. Yep. Okay. And I already have the antenna and all that. Everything's ready up there. I just have to take that old mount out. So here are my existing wires. This is the antenna, and this is the power cable. This is not gonna fit like that. So I'm going to have to, why there's 3 power cables, weird. I'll have to figure that out. This one only has positive, negative. This power cable actually has, see? There's a positive, an orange one, and then a negative. But let's see. Yeah, the antenna just fits right on, so this is gonna be easy. That's the easy part. Then I have to mount it. Come on. Don't want to cross thread it. Good job. There you go. Alright, so that is good. Now I just have to run some power to it. Beep. Mr. Rossi Poo is installing one as well. That's what he's doing. He's reading the manual, something I don't always do. But since I have it here, I guess I will read it. Antenna. There's fuse. Yep. You see, I like to actually read this stuff. Not really. Okay, oh, that has an external speaker. And then public access, which is a PA, an external PA, maybe connected to the PA. Okay, cool. So I can actually connect this to my stereo also. Hey, Granny Joe. Yeah, I forgot it does have an external PA thing, or this I believe goes to my stereo. Awesome, so it can connect to that if I want it in my stereo. I don't know if I'll use that much. And I already connected this together. I put the red, because the red is on the end, so I put this in here, and then the black is on this far end. I'm not sure what that orange is for. But, yep, so I'm not going to cut this off. I'm just going to tape this up like this, because I already checked it and it has power. Yep, so, yep, that's what I'm going to do. Just tape it like that. So you can see, I'm just inserting the wires into the holes. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to tape this off. Right. I think that should do. Alright. So I just have to install it and mount this. Breaker 129. Hello? Anybody hear me? Is there any aliens out there? Nope. Bless you! This is what the mount or holding bracket looks like. Just have to install it here. There's already a spot since there was one here previously. So I'm going to mount it right in front of the old one, or either behind, I'm not quite sure. Alright, I have the mount installed. Oh. These are the knobby screws. Screw in here, and then I put it on the bracket, but I have to go ahead and put these on first, because that's what they hold on to. And then once I get it on, I can tighten them down. Hello. People are probably like, what the heck is she doing? I'm being weird. Okay, gotta shove the wires back up in there. Okay. Don't want no loose wires hanging all over the place. And this does come with a fuse, which is awesome. So now I just have to install this and we're good to go. Let's see. Come on, sucker. Ow, that's the way it goes. It's a little notch so you don't get it backwards. Okay, I gotta tighten down the brackets. Where's the... Oh, crap. So, I was wondering what this is for. See what happens when you don't read instructions. So, this is the mount for this. Ta-ta! So, I just gotta put that on the CB. Which side do I want? I think I'm gonna put it on the right side. As you can see, I can install the bracket here or either on the other side, because you can put it on either side. You can put it on, well, I don't know, hello? Yeah, I'd probably put it, hello? No. Yeah, I'm gonna install it. Install. All right, and let's see. Oh, really? Okay, there it goes.
Breaker 33, what's your handle, over?
Chinky lady.
Chinky lady.
I'm on channel 33.
You're on channel what? 33?
Channel 33.
Awesome. I'm not
Breaker 33, this is Catfish, come on.
I'm Wonder Woman, by the way. That's always been my handle since I was a little tiny girl.
Really, Wonder Woman? That's awesome.
I don't know why. I guess I liked Wonder Woman as a child.
Cool. Let's see if it cuts on. Hold on. Ah, no power. Must have come loose. So.
I'm gonna hardwire it.
Okay. But there's 3 wires here.
Oh, that's not good.
What does that mean?
It means I don't know which wires are which.
But I hooked it to the red, because there's the red, orange, and black. I hooked it to the red and the black. I skipped the middle orange one, and it, but that doesn't necessarily mean, I don't know which one is which.
It's probably red and black.
You want me to step out?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Put this on there and figure out which is which.
Okay. Here, you go ahead, come in. There you go, Uchi Moo-moo.
Boogie boogie moo-moo.
Uchi Moo-moo.
Alright, we got minus.
Oh,
Keeps going down.
that's weird.
No, there's no power there.
Okay, see about that orange one. That's
4 amps. 4 volts.
That's weird. It used to have power there.
Yeah, that's power right there. You got 3 millivolts. That just went to 0. I wonder why that is. I don't know. You may not have power here.
Oh, wait a minute. Is that hooked to? Maybe I have to have the ignition on. Okay. Oh, there we go. What? Oh.
Okay.
That's not efficient enough to run it, though, is it?
I think we're looking at volts, not amps.
Oh.
So 1.3 volt.
But it should be 12 volt, right?
No, I think one is constant power and the other one would be the accessory power. So that's why there's 3. That's because our radios are like that. They're always connected to power directly to the battery, but the it's also connected to the key here.
Okay, so that
So when the switch goes on, then the main power comes on. Wait, one more thing. Wow.
Oh, there's 12. Okay.
The plug itself might be corroded. That's why we're getting inconsistent
so
readings.
just cut the plug off and... The orange must be the accessory one.
So now it's negative. What the hell? But this was for sure for your other... Yeah, I guess so, because it's got the antenna with it.
Yep.
Okay. Well, whoever set that up,
So I just had to cut the plug off?
Yeah. Oh boy. Here I go, cutting plugs off again.
And snapper. Snipper snapper. Oop. Do we need these?
Yes. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Put in your toe.
Why can't it be my toe? There's the connectors. Oopsie.
Connector.
Connector. Gotta go plug in this battery. Unplug it. Oh, I gotta unplug this. Oh. Dang it.
Lulu! It's a little moo-moo. Little moo-moo.
Such a cutie. Oh, they already have the connectors. Oh, I see. Wow. Oh, that's what they did. That's why they divided the power?
It's not working right.
I need to stop cussing, sir.
That's why this stuff isn't working right.
Right, because, are you okay? I need you to be careful. Oh, so it's a good thing I cut that plug off anyways.
So, red and orange are the same. So it's the same reading anyway.
Oh, that's why, because the power was divided though. So red is the positive and white is the negative. Good job, sir. Good job. I'll throw that out. We don't need that anymore. It
We don't need that anymore. They're just a bit long. Put your hands on. Put your hands on my shoulder.
Ooh, whisper in my ear. Words I want to hear. Tell me that you'll always love me so. Something like that.
Well, I just stole whatever that was.
It's all good.
It's probably a screw or something.
Yeah.
Oops.
Oopsie daisy.
So here, in my trailer, white is ground.
Negative, yeah. Same here.
Black is positive. So this you're telling me is positive.
Yeah, the red. This one is red.
Alright.
Mine, in my trailer, it's red and white. Red is positive and white is ground.
It's ground and it's ground.
Yeah. Ooh, fancy. Can we check it and see if it works? What? Oh. Here you are. What the heck? I mean, the heck?
Well, while you were dinking around with it, you might have blown a fuse or blew out the diode hooking it up backwards. That's no good. Because I've done that myself. Or this just isn't hooked into your fuse.
But no, it literally
panel.
came on. When I tested it, I saw the little orangeness of this panel. It was orange.
Oh, where's your speaker? Or is it the speakers?
I think it goes to this.
Whoa.
Oh, what the freak? I guess I'll return it. When we get to the other remote, it really blows.
Alright, so where's the fuse panel? Find the other end of this. So it's going this way. Probably going down here.
Right.
This is about to fall out on your face.
Yeah.
It's probably going down in here.
Yeah, we're just still trying to get this AV and we're almost done. Probably like 5-10 more minutes. Here we go. It's working, it's working. Good job, sir. Thank you. That is it. That's all I'm gonna install now. Thank you, Rossi Poo. And we're going to go ahead and get back on the road and meet the people because they have already started heading towards San Antonio. And we're running a little behind, so, yep. Time to get on the road. Onward Bound.